What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. Today is going to be a massive update on Cardano ADA. We're going to go over price predictions, where I see the price of ADA headed end of year, as well as massive updates to come for Cardano and where I see this project headed in the next bull market. So before we get started, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, hit the bell to be notified when I release new videos. Also, please comment below. I do like to read the comments and I will try to reply to all the comments within the first day. So I have lots of huge things I'm going to be going over in this video, so be sure to stick through to the end of the video so you don't miss anything. Some very bullish stuff in here to come for Cardano, and Cardano is the main competitor to Ethereum, and Charles Hoskinson has said himself that he's trying to take as many projects from the Ethereum blockchain and convert them to the Cardano blockchain, and they are rolling this out over the next few months. So a quick overview of my last video for Cardano. This video was on October 30th. So at this time, we discussed updates of parts of Goguen shipping this year. Shelly updates are continued, which introduced staking to the project. We also had IOHK 90 potential commercial deals in the pipeline for Cardano. Full dedicated marketing and partners teams. Goguen will roll out in 3 hard forks, the first being in November 2020, second in Q1 2021, and third shortly after, Goguen by March 2021. So the full rollout of Goguen should be by March 2021. Some short delays wouldn't be that surprising. But once this is rolled out, Cardano can go full speed ahead, and that's really when they're going to start loading on new partnerships, getting projects building on the Cardano blockchain. I really think that's when the project is really going to be blasting off. So ERC20 token converter is huge, and the Mint testnet in November, giving people time to start building on Cardano ecosystem in a safe sandbox, so when they deploy to mainnet, they do it right the first time. We also discussed a possible Coinbase listing for ADA, and we're going to talk more about that and some rumors going around about this, as well as PayPal ADA listing as well. So PayPal did launch with 4 cryptocurrencies to start. Cardano was not one of them, but I do expect PayPal will add ADA in the future when it's more decentralized. So everyone in the Cardano community is currently speculating because of Charles Hoskinson posting this GIF here, stating soon with the red ball. A lot of people have been using the red ball in their Twitter names and speculating on what this could be. So something interesting I did see, which would be insanely massive for Cardano, Coinbase building platform to help crypto startups launch tokens and raise cash. So people are speculating that Coinbase could be launching this platform using the Cardano blockchain. And Cardano did mention that they will be offering staking of ADA on Coinbase custody, as well as a listing should be coming up at any point. It could be after Goguen or sometime before. We'll see where that's headed, but I did hear that Q4 was for the Coinbase custody. So if Coinbase not only does the launch of ADA and Coinbase custody, but also building this platform on top of the Cardano blockchain, that would just be massive. So the CEO, Brian Armstrong, he was discussing in early August. He said Coinbase launch or something like that is what this platform is going to be like. So this will be a launching platform similar to Binance launch pool. And platforms and new projects will be able to launch through Coinbase and raise money similar to an ICO to get funding for their projects. So he stated the product will streamline clients' token launches from custody to smart contract creation to governance to distribution. It will handhold people through the process. And then also below, Coinbase is also reportedly eyeing a tokenized capital raise. It is reported preparing for initial public offering, perhaps using blockchain-based tech in mid-2021. So it's very possible this is going to be launched using the Cardano blockchain. Of course, this is just speculation based on something that Charles posted. The price of ADA did go up quite a bit after he posted that. So with a small market dip today, the price of ADA is down around 8%, getting close to that 15-cent level again, which is extremely undervalued in my opinion, around a $4.87 billion market cap. I think that's really undervalued considered Shelly Mainnet has launched, and look at the price compared to the previous bull run. So we went over $1 per ADA during the last bull run, and that was all speculation. There was no product. We have a working product now. Goguen is rolling out currently. I think during the next wave of FOMO, when a lot of retail investors are getting in, I think ADA is going to be one of the primary options here. And if we check out the volume here, the volume of ADA has recently spiked in mid-November, extremely high compared to where it was previously. And if we look at the previous bull run volume levels here, the current volume is towering over the previous volume levels during that bull run. So if Coinbase adds Cardano ADA sometime in the next few months, if PayPal adds ADA, it's all going to be extremely bullish things that could definitely set off the price of ADA to new all-time highs. Still extremely undervalued compared to other projects like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which have recovered so much. So the price of ADA did hit 35 cents on that recovery after the last bull run. Currently less than half of that price. I definitely think it's undervalued. Depending on what Charles Hoskinson is talking about here, I definitely think the price of ADA could quickly move up to 30 cents. So guys, keep in mind this is all speculation right now. Anything could really happen, but because Charles posting this, I definitely think it's going to be something huge. We also have Goguen rolling out over the next few months. It's all going to be huge for Cardano. Charles has stated that they will have 1,000 partners or more by summer of 2021. So if you can think about that, that's going to be hundreds of partnerships per month, since really that's not too far away. So before we get into all the bullish news for Cardano and everything to come by end of year and the massive updates, I do want to quickly go over the Google Trends levels for this search term Cardano. So we're set to worldwide here the past 5 years. As you guys can see, the trend level is extremely low. The trend level was even higher during the Shelly Mainnet launch, where the price of ADA did hit 17 cents. So we're pretty much at that price again, but the trend levels are much lower. And the previous bull run, the trend levels for Cardano peaked out here. So once we're hitting these trend levels from 2017 bull run, I do think the price of ADA could easily be over $1 once we return to these previous prices, even over $3, which I have seen some steady price predictions of ADA from anywhere from $1 to $3 during the peak of the next bull run. So recently we had word that new addresses joining Cardano jumps 202%, ADA taking aim at yearly highs, just massive. Does show the Cardano network is growing. More and more people are locking ADA in staking. A massive percent of the circulating supply is currently in staking, earning passive income on their Cardano. We also had the roadmap for Goguen rollout, as well as the native tokens roadmap as well. So by March of 2021, we should see Goguen fully rolled out and projects converting from the Ethereum blockchain to the Cardano blockchain. And I do think this is going to make the price of ADA pick up very quickly. Hundreds of partnerships coming to Cardano. Everything is based around Goguen right now, introducing smart contracts to the project and allowing tokens to launch on the Cardano blockchain. So lots of huge partnerships, as we saw in the last video, 90 potential commercial deals in the pipeline for Cardano as well. So real quick, some other huge news for Cardano. Cardano's stablecoin will be better than MakerDAO's, stated by Charles Hoskinson. This is massive in itself, as well as IOHK handing out $250,000 to Cardano projects. The $250,000 grant is the first funding round for Project Catalyst, which hopes to get developers building on the Cardano blockchain. So that's good. They're putting some reward out there to incentivize people to launch their projects on the Cardano blockchain. So Charles has stated many times that he does want Cardano to beat Ethereum and have many of the Ethereum projects convert to Cardano, being a better blockchain. And as we see Goguen roll out, that's really when we're going to see if that's going to be happening. So he has stated that multiple times in the past, as well as stating that Cardano will become the most decentralized cryptocurrency in the world. And we will see that happen once Goguen rolls out. So if you do want to stake your Cardano and contribute to the network, I recommend using the Daedalus wallet, which you can get at daedaluswallet.io. Another wallet you can use is the JRNY wallet, which I haven't used, so I can't recommend, but I did hear it does have more staking features than Daedalus, like staking in multiple staking pools, which could have better benefits. So I want to talk more about why I think Cardano ADA is so undervalued at the current 15.5 cents. I do think it's undervalued right now just because Goguen is not rolled out and there are not projects converting from Ethereum to Cardano right now. So really, once that all rolls out, that's when I think the price of ADA is really going to be heating up, and we could be seeing the price of ADA $1 or more at that time. So Charles Hoskinson has explained how Cardano could get to $1 trillion market cap and more, and he did state this could take 5, 10 years, even 15 years, but he does believe it will happen, with Cardano being a main competitor to the Ethereum blockchain. So the price of ADA at a $1 trillion market cap would just be insane return on investment from the current 15 cents. Let's say Cardano gets to $50, that's around a $1.7 trillion market cap, which does seem impossible right now, but you have to consider once Bitcoin is over $100,000, Ethereum is over $5,000, and many projects are in the multi-trillions in market cap, it's going to be very possible for ADA to also be in the multi-trillion market cap, especially if they're converting as many projects and competing with the Ethereum blockchain as much as Charles Hoskinson has stated in these previous articles, even stating that he wants to beat the Ethereum beast. So in my opinion, Ethereum, Cardano, Tron, and other competitive blockchains like Polkadot will all coexist at least for the next 5, 10, 15 years. But eventually, the better blockchains are going to take the majority share of the cryptocurrency projects in the space. So in that case, I can see Cardano getting into the multi-trillions. It will really all depend how competitive it is with Ethereum and how many projects actually start converting from Ethereum to the Cardano blockchain. Regardless though, I think a lot of projects will be launching on the Cardano blockchain. And if Cardano is as good as Charles is stating, then Coinbase could definitely be building their new platform on the Cardano blockchain, which will not only get Coinbase on the Cardano blockchain, but also get hundreds of new projects using the Cardano blockchain from this Coinbase launch platform. So just amazing what's in the pipeline and the potential that Cardano has. I'm really looking forward to what comes from this announcement where Charles did tweet this GIF. Hopefully this comes out within the next few days. I did see some people stating December 3rd as the announcement for this big news. I don't know where they got that though. I haven't heard anything myself, but definitely huge stuff is in the pipeline. I definitely think ADA is going to be performing extremely well during this next bull market. Great timing with other top cryptos going up a lot as well. Bitcoin reaching its all-time high. I definitely think other top 10 cryptos will be getting close to their all-time highs and basically recovering from the major bear market. So that's it for today's Cardano video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please share the video, like the video, comment below. I do like to read the comments and we'll try to reply to as many as possible. And also don't forget to subscribe. I am trying to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Thank you guys again so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.